Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate PayPal security key and login alerts step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and go to the PayPal website. Log into your PayPal account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the settings icon located in the upper right corner of the page. Click on the settings icon to open your account settings. In the settings menu, look for the security section. Click on Security to access your security settings. Find the option labeled Security Key and click on Update. You may be prompted to enter a one-time password sent to your registered phone number. Once verified, you can proceed to set up your security key. Follow the on-screen prompts to enable the security key feature. After activation, you can choose to receive security codes via text message or an authentication app. Select your preferred method and provide the necessary information. If you choose the authentication app, make sure to scan the QR code displayed. Once linked, your security key will generate a unique code each time you log in. Next, go back to the settings menu to enable login alerts. Look for the notifications section within your security settings. Select login alerts and toggle the option to enable alerts. Enter the email addresses or phone numbers where you wish to receive these alerts. Save your changes to ensure your login alerts are activated. Finally, log out of your PayPal account and test your new security settings. Your PayPal account is now more secure with the security key and login alerts activated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.